Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'll talk about my final Search Digital story. My original question is, how could performance-enhancing drugs legalization be beneficial? The relevant type of publications of my research are professional reports, professional medical journals, peer-reviewed journals, and popular newspaper and magazine articles. The first search statement typed in Google was performance-enhancing drugs legalization benefits safety supervision perception. After searching the statement, I see scholarly articles which led me into an interesting article called The Effects of Supraphysiological Doses of Testosterone Muscle Size and Strength in Normal Men. As we can see, this article was originally published by the New England Journal of Medicine. The New England Journal of Medicine is a medical journal published by the Massachusetts Medical Society. The leading author of this journal, Sheldon Bastin, is a professor of medicine at Boston University School of Medicine. Other authors holds PhD and other advanced degrees as well. The content of this article is also biased by neither endorsing nor define the use of performance-enhancing drug. It concluded with the fact that performance, however, downside of this article is that it was originally published in 1996, which means it's outdated. Widely cited by 91 people. Overall, I think this journal would be a credible source which provide a medical perspective of my research. The search result for the first search statement showed a majority of articles that talk about the health side effects and PED and supplements did not provide enough information on the potential benefits allowing the use of PED. Since the research is focused on the use of PED in sports, I added the keyword sports and deleted the search terms that oriented toward other subjects. The second research term showed us two articles, interesting articles, which is why it's time to legalize steroids in professional sports. This was carried by one of the major popular newsstand site, Forbes.com. Writer of this article claimed to specialize mainly in college football and basketball and study sports business. It appears that he did not specialize in the sports medicine field or any related area. The content of this article is plausible, but the author did not provide any citation to back up some of the information that he provided. The article received over 220,000 views and it was written in 2012, so it definitely has a wider range of readers and was written more recently than previous source. Not mentioned how many was just how the number this journal was cited. Overall, I'll use this source as insight from a sports enthusiast point of view from a popular newspaper source. The third article, does the ban on drugs in sport improve social welfare, was published on International Review of Sociology of Sport, which is a peer-reviewed academic journal that published papers in the field of sociology. The author of this article is a member of the Faculty of Business in Queensland University of Technology, Australia. Although not written by a sports medical scholar, the article discusses the potential improvement in social welfare by legalizing PED, provided detailed citation references, was written in 1996, which makes an older resource, cited by 27, not a large number. Overall, I'll use this source to help me studying the potential social benefits of legalizing PED. The second search the term provides us with more content related to the ethics attitude toward the use of PED. I would like to cover a key search term in my third search term, which is harm reduction policy, which was mentioned multiple times in the second article. Harm reduction policy provides certain lenience and eligibility for the use of PED. Endorsement of this policy will educate me more about the benefits of using PED. The fourth article that we have here is why we should allow the performance-enhancing drugs in sport was originally published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine, which is a peer-reviewed medical journal published by the BMJ Group covering sports medicine and sports physiotherapy. The leading author of this journal, J.S., is the chair of the practical ethics at the University of Oxford. The authors following him worked at the Children's Research Institute. All the authors seems to be professionals who are not related to the sports medicine field. The article provided a detailed list of citation references. Content is not strongly biased, and the authors articulated the idea from both sides. The article was originally published in 2004, therefore it is not an up-to-date source. Cited by 244 people, is a relatively large group. Overall, I will use this article as a peer-reviewed journal that gave opinions for my research. Fifth article, Globalization, Anti-Doping, the Reverse Side of the Medal, was written by Ben Kaiser, Professor Director, Institute of Movement Science and Sports Medicine. Originally published by the BMJ as well, which is a weekly review journal. Professional sports research background author addressed a wide range of concerns related to the negative effects of PED. It provided detailed citation references written in 2008, which is relatively recent. Cited by 27 people, not so many. Overall, I'll use this source as a professional peer-reviewed article that talks about the potential tolerance of PED. Overall, my original research prompt did not change. And I would like to include more peer-reviewed journals to discuss the moral question of PED, which is something I like to research about.